my first commission costume for Ragged Wing in Berkeley for their performance called Inanna, which is going to be showing in October. And I'm in my garden right now. I made this costume out of white and red manufacturer's plastic bags attached to an old recycled sheet that I found in my friend's free box in Sausalito at her boat. And I made the hat this morning. Probably going to cut some of it off, depending on what the director wants, and I'll be seeing her tonight. And this is my way of doing something for nature, helping to recycle and live sustainably here in San Anselmo, California, with my passion vine.